Yeah, what's up, Sydney? Yo, this goes out to all my crew. You know who you are. Oh yeah, Zion, Zach, Lika, and all the best of you. I don't like glue. What you gonna do? Yo, check it. Peanut butter sandwiches taste nice and fine. K-Bix always coming on the line. Is that me or is that you? I don't know. K-Pepe, I quit. 1, 2, 3, and 4. What you gonna do? Knocking at your door. 5 and 6. Pick up sticks. 7, 8. That's it, late. Bow, 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 bow.